Hi everyone, welcome back to Maths class with Akshara. In our previous sessions, we discussed the basic concepts of algebraic expressions. Before performing fundamental operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, we must understand rules of signs. In today's video, we will learn the rules of signs for multiplication and division. Let's get started. You might be wondering, why do we need these rules? Because when we multiply or divide positive and negative numbers, the answer changes completely. Look at these mixed numbers. Here, plus 5 multiplied by minus 3 or minus 8 multiplied by plus 2. Similarly, minus 8 divided by minus 2 or 6 divided by minus 3. As we know, the plus sign means positive and minus sign means negative. So we must follow the rules of signs to get the correct answer. There are two main rules for multiplication and division. Rule number 1. When the signs are same, the answer is always positive. There are two rules for multiplication, two rules for division. Let's go with multiplication. Rule number 1. When you multiply a positive number with another positive number, the answer is always positive. We can say that plus into plus is equal to plus. The second rule is when you multiply a negative number with another negative number, the answer is also always positive. We can say that minus into minus is equal to plus. Let's go with division rules. The first rule is when you divide a positive number by a positive number, the answer is always positive. We can say that plus divided by plus is equal to plus. The second rule is when you divide a negative number by a negative number, the answer is always positive too. We can say that minus divided by minus is equal to plus. So remember, when the signs are the same, the answer is always positive. Let's see some examples on these rules. First one is plus 3 multiplied by plus 4. That means plus into plus is equal to plus. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So the answer is plus 12. The second one is minus 5 multiplied by minus 2. That means minus into minus is equal to plus. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So the answer is plus 10. The third one is plus 8 divided by plus 2. That means plus divided by plus is equal to plus. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So the answer is plus 4. The last one is minus 12 divided by minus 3. That means minus divided by minus is equal to plus. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So the answer is plus 4. Let's now learn rule number 2 for multiplication and division. When the signs are different, the answer is always negative. Here also, there are two rules for multiplication and two rules for division. Let's go with multiplication rules. Rule number 1 is when you multiply a positive number with a negative number, the answer is always negative. We can say that plus into minus is equal to minus. The second one is when you multiply a negative number with a positive number, the answer is also always negative. We can say that minus into plus is equal to minus. Now, the first division rule is when you divide a positive number by a negative number, the answer is always negative. We can say that plus divided by minus is equal to minus. The second division rule is when you divide a negative number by a positive number, the answer is always negative. We can say that minus divided by plus is equal to minus. So remember, when the signs are different, the answer is always negative. Let's see some examples on these rules. The first one is plus 8 multiplied by minus 3. That means plus into minus is equal to minus. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. So the answer is minus 24. The second one is minus 5 multiplied by plus 4. That means minus into plus is equal to minus. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So the answer is minus 20. The third one is minus 15 divided by plus 5. That means minus divided by plus is equal to minus. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So the answer is minus 3. The last one is plus 20 divided by minus 4. That means plus divided by minus is equal to minus. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So the answer is minus 5. Here is a funny and easy way to remember the rules. If the signs are same, think of them as friends. And friends always give a positive answer. But if the signs are different, think of them as enemies. And as enemies always give a negative answer. So remember, same signs mean friends, always positive. And different signs means enemies, always negative.
I hope you now clearly understand the rules for multiplication and division signs. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.